Plano mo ba bumili ng first home mo? Ito yung isang nightmare na nangyari sa buyer sa Pickering after they bought their first house. So they bought their home with a firm offer, walang inspection, kasi yun ang sabi sa kanila para manalo. After mag-close, nakita nila na may mold, stagnant water, sira ang drainage, basa ang basement flooring, at may crack ang foundation. Ang ending, more than $20,000 agad ang gastos nila. So imaginein mo, pagpasok mo sa bagong bahay mo, may tubig na umaakit mula sa sahig pag tinatapakan mo. Tanggalin mo yung flooring, fully soaked, may mold, and halatang matagal na. Then you ask yourself, may habol pa ba ako? Here's the truth. Firm offer is final. Once accepted, ikaw na ang may risk. Dahil hindi ka nagpa-inspection, wala kang leverage. Pwede ka lang maghabol legally kung alam ng seller yung defects at itinago nila. Pero kailangan mo ma-prove yun. As a home buyer, you should never be pressured into a firm offer without knowing the risks and alternatives. Kasi mayroong strategies to stay competitive and protected like pre-offer inspections or clauses na yung seller warrants na walang problema sa bahay. Kung first-time buyer ka sa Toronto or GTA, click the link sa caption and download my free first-time home buyer guide para makabili ka ng may confidence.